And finally guys, this is happening. We are traveling to India after one whole year, and I cannot express how much excited we are. So our parents just know that I am traveling to India, but they're not aware about if Ketan is traveling or not. So it's going to be a huge surprise for them. And currently the time here it's 6:45 p.m. and our flight is supposed to on board around 9:20 something. But yes, pretty much excited. Here's Ketan, and we are just waiting for one of our friend to come. He's going to just say goodbye to us. But I am super excited, and just excuse me for all the hassle that would go around here with the camera. And for your information, we are traveling by Fly Dubai, and I'm going to tell you guys all the instruction and all the formalities that we go through in this video. So just hang on and enjoy this video. And yes, the temperature right now it's like 2 or 3 degrees, and it's freezing cold. Like oh god, I'm gonna miss Warsaw, and can't wait to be there in Mumbai. And with that said guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing extremely fine, and just enjoy this video. And now it's time for okay, thank you for coming. Bye. काळजी घ्या.
चलो भाई काळजी घे.
So finally done with our check-in and the security check, and now we are walking towards our gate. But then we are a little hungry as well. I mean, I didn't really eat something before leaving, so I am thinking of grabbing something to eat. But then we will first find our gate and then do all the pastimes there. So
potato pancake?
yeah, just potato pancake for me. Hey.
Hey, hello.
Hey. That's okay.
Sure, thank you.
Hello. Hey. Okay, so our boarding process is done totally, and yes, I am already in the flight now. I am pretty much excited now, and I cannot tell you how happy I am, because it is obviously 1 year that I have visited my parents, and desperately wanting to see them now. Let's hope that I reach soon. Also with this Fly Dubai, the only problem is that there is a way too long layover. Like our layover is about 11 hours at Dubai. I'm not sure what are we going to do there. Fly Dubai flights are they're quite comfortable though. So this is the kind of flex space here. It's quite, I mean, it's enough for me. I mean, at least for me it's quite good enough, and the flights are also huge. With that guys, we've taken off now, and it's time for me to sleep, but I will see you guys in Dubai. Welcome to Dubai guys. We have finally reached Dubai, and we've already done with our security check again. and now we are trying to find the lounge so that we can access the lounge, because we have a layover of around 11 hours, which is like huge, and we have nothing to do other than just binge watch some movies or some series or something. So first let's just find this lounge access, and then I will get back to you guys. Okay, so it's quite a time for us now, and we've almost spent 7 to 8 hours sleeping on the lounge there up, and now we are waiting for a bus to come, which the bus is going to take us from terminal 3 to terminal 2. You need to make sure that the extra time that you always have 1 hour extra, because if there's a terminal change here, it's going to take 1 hour to reach another terminal. So one thing about that. Second thing is, all the documents that you would require for this travel purposes are as follows. You will need your vaccination certificate. You make sure that you have multiple copies of it. You have to take a RT-PCR test, which you get a negative result, the test results obviously. Third thing is, you need to make sure that you fill in the self-declaration form on the Air Suvidha website. I will make sure to put it in the description box, the link. And these 3 important documents you have to make sure that you have. Apart from that, your passport or your residence card, or all the extra documents that you require. But these are mandatory documents that you require during this COVID time. And talking about Fly Dubai, their service is like amazing. The flights are way cheaper than any other flyers. Moreover, the leg space in the seats, between the seats, like the rows, is also quite fine. I mean, the amount of money that you pay for and the kind of service that you get, there's a little bit of a compromise there, but then it's still fine. You will definitely reach your destination, which is even more important. And if luxury and comfort matters to you, you can go for first class or business class flights also, like the seats. But moreover, my experience with Fly Dubai was so far very good, and now waiting for our next flight, that's from Dubai to Bombay, and I am super excited just to reach Bombay. So also, I don't know what kind of pandemic situation this is, or what to call it exactly, but there are so many people traveling already. I mean, it really feels like a normal travel, normal trip. I mean, it's not something that it's just about the mask that we have to put on all the time, but otherwise there are so many people around. I literally do not feel that it's a COVID situation or a pandemic situation. I don't know why, but yes, that's the case. Especially, I mean, it was the same in Warsaw also. There was a huge line for security. Then there was a queue for the security here in Dubai also. Now let's see what it is going to be in Mumbai. But I'm going to keep you guys posted on all the situations, and I'm going to make sure that I provide all the information that is required for you to make your trip also very safe and a happy journey. Here comes our bus for Terminal 2. With that, guys, we have successfully reached Terminal 2 and we are having our food now. It is, I don't know what is the time here, and the time right now it's 2:40 p.m. in the afternoon, and we are having our food, probably lunch, and we'll be onboarding the flight for Mumbai at around 4:20 or 4:30, and our flight is going to take off by 5:30, so 5:15 rather. So yeah, just going around places here, the duty-free shops, and done some shopping here. Yes, again. Finally boarding the flight to Mumbai. Can't wait to reach home. And that's the skyline of Dubai, if you can see anything from here.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow
चला
turns to sun rays.
मम्मी बोलते माझा लेग कुठे राहिला आणि एवढं असं होणारच नाही
बाजूला असू दे नंतर
व्हिडिओ काढायचा ये पकड
हॅलो
भेटली का मगाशी
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow
already been 2 days that we are home, and obviously I did not get much time to shoot this vlog, the end part, and I actually wanted to add some more details to this one. So here it is. So most of you guys had asked me on my Instagram story that, you know, if transit visa is required to travel via Dubai. So not as of now, at least when we traveled day before yesterday, we were not asked any kind of transit visa. And second thing is the formalities at the Mumbai airport, there were like not too many formalities to be done, but then the self-declaration form that I told you guys, and the European, or rather your vaccination certificate that, you know, you have completed both the dosage of your vaccination, is these two things are really mandatory for you. You need to show them, and obviously you need to show them your boarding passes also, which is pretty obvious. But these two things you need to show them for sure, and if you do not have them, you will have to take the RT-PCR test at the airport. And talking about the security check and the immigration process, there was no much crowd over there, so those two formalities went really, you know, in a very smooth way. But otherwise at the Mumbai airport there were no such hassle to, you know, just get exit from the airport. So everything went well, and our journey was fantastic. We are having a gala time at our place, and right now I am in my in-laws house, like my place there. But the reactions that you saw were like really very overwhelming. It was a huge surprise for our family members, and everyone was literally surprised and very shocked to see Ketan home. So yeah, it was a very emotional moment for all of us, but at the end it was a very wonderful journey, and hoping for a great stay here. But in case if you guys have any questions regarding your travel plans also, you can just put down your questions in the comment section and I will answer to them like always. So hope you guys have enjoyed this one and you have found it informative, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care, bye bye. Ciao, it's Enya.